Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. Today's update weekly vlog, Soul 4 channel, and everything else for that as well. But I want to show you this is 95% done, but the video is up. I am going to go to Home Depot, see how big it is against my head. So yeah, so this is 95% done. Once I go to Home Depot, get a quarter-inch piece of plywood and cut a base for this because the base for this is 380 by 180 millimeters for it. So make the base. I'm going to use liquid nails in the bottom so it will never fucking come off. And then I could twirl around, twist it around, and finish all the touch up for this as well. But this is something it is going to be on hold for a bit, but the video is going to be out in August. It's already done for it as well. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord out and the link below. And so, War Mommy's done. No more shorts for that. The next one is going to be the Cylon ship from Battlestar Galactica because I got to work on that for Father's Day. Then I'm going to be working on Moid's May Voltan that I got late. So that's going to be up. That's going to be one video only for it. I am not going to do the Battletech because I have no one else to play it with. And if I have a lot of Battletech fans, then I will actually print it and paint it myself. Um, just one of those things for me to get people to watch the channel is D&D or Warhammer, and I don't have any BattleTech fans. If you're BattleTech fans and you guys do want to watch it, please let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll see what I can do for it. I know Moid has a tank he wants me to print, a big one, for I didn't believe the Voltan ones, then print it. I know there's a Voltan Warlord Titan version of it that I might get and print as well. But it will be the Cylon, Voltan, then back to Nurgle. I am going to pre-order this Saturday for the Legion box set that I am definitely going to get, and hopefully the following month I'll get the SpeedPay 2.0 kit, the full set kit for that as well, and get that done. Then we'll be switching back to um, D&D, and we'll do a lot of random ones and some of the ones for Ashley's campaign for that. Then after another four different types of paintings for D&D. Then we'll be finishing up the Nurgles. Hopefully, I'll be finishing up the Nurgles. I have so many Death Guards left to paint. After the Death Guard is done and over with, then I'm gonna work on the Wrath of the Kings, the Soul King, for the Chaos and the Dark Angels. Then I'll be jumping onto Legion, and I believe I'm gonna get two boxes of it because one of the box my friends and I are gonna go halvesies on. He's gonna take a Tyranid. I'm gonna take the Space Marine. I know that one portion of it of the box is gonna be for Blood Angels. The other portion is gonna be for the Dark Angels. Then I should have enough army sets for both. That I would be 3D printing actual tanks for these units that I need. And I got built and print another types of knights for these units as well. And there'll be proxy knights. I'm not spending hundreds of dollars on knights because I don't have hundreds of dollars. Someone donates it or you know donate money, I'll buy it. But other than that, it's a money that I do not have, and I do not want to spend for a piece of plastic that I could just 3D print for like 20-40 bucks in that matter as well. I know there's gonna be another unit for Space Marines. Um, I know the rule's gonna be out. It'll be for free, but I'm gonna have the actual rule book, so I'll be actually looking at it in June 24th. I believe that's what's gonna be for it. But yeah, we've done a lot of painting for them in the past, starting from December till now. We did a lot of paintings for this channel, and it is more and more is just coming and grabbing and painting. I got new brush sets for the upcoming paint jobs as well. Um, I'm gonna buy another brush set as well. I need to buy a very thin brush set for eyes because I got complaints. Why are there no pupil in there? Because I don't have a thin enough brush. Plus, my hand shakes when I paint too. My body doesn't stable for that as well. Personal unit update. I'm gonna see an ortho surgeon this Friday and see what the plan is. If I'm getting surgery or not. If I'm getting surgery, I will be decommissioned for about a month or two. Because I'll be laying in bed. Uh, so that just letting you know, there'll be videos. There'll be scheduled videos, but I won't be appearing as much on a full week. Just letting you guys give you guys a heads up for that as well. We are gonna be 3D printing another army pretty soon. After I'm done with all the Space Marine, could be the Tyranids. So I'm gonna get another full sets, the one from Legion, and I'm gonna actually 3D print more for for um for 3D printed like I did back then. But I don't think I'm gonna paint. I think I'm gonna paint it the way I want to paint it. The one I painted for this channel was my friend's, so I want actual I want to paint like Zerg colors for it. I'm gonna have several Zerg prints just to be in my Tyranid army because I'm a huge StarCraft fan. I played the first and the second one. First one was a kid. Then I played second when I was in the military. It'll be one of those things that I am debating on building or buying a um, a box just to store all of these, a carrying case for it. So I am looking into that because I'm going to definitely going to need several carrying cases for all these armies when I take them to my friend's house. There's going to be a custom carrying case just for the war mommy because she is ridiculously huge, as you can see. The size comparison from my head and my torso for that as well. It's a little over 2 feet, and it's very light compared to I bet what everyone gets when there's solid resin. This is hollow printed, just letting you guys know. But so we got that. We get paints, that health update, and um, we are going to be. That's pretty much all I have right now so far for you guys. I know that we have the June Patreon thing coming up for people that wants me to look up and stuff like that as well. I have a comment. Someone wants me to look at some pride prints for STL Patreon. Problem with that is there's haven't been one that I have seen so far. So if you guys have one, you have to look over the pride stuff. Just leave that in the comments. I'll take a look if they're worthy enough to be up on the video on this channel. But other than that, I could do so much in the research department because I'm just one man painting and playing games. Oh, the secondary channel has games already uploaded right now. The Cult of the Lamb and the Tears of the Kingdom. So we'll be putting Tears of the Kingdom in up more gameplay into that channel now. So if you don't know what the secondary channel is a gameplay channel down in the link below. You guys can find that out as well. I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you guys very much for your support. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Anyhow, guys, have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.